everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic Freak. Today I'm going to show you how to create a neon visual look like this. No plugin, it's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first I'll add new composition. I'll make it Full HD, 60 frame rate and also duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid and make it white and I'll name it neon 1. Then OK. Now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type CC Stardust. Yeah, this one. Double click or drag and drop. Okay, and yeah, I'll make it just 2 seconds. Okay, yeah, to see our group. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll change scatter to 300. Also grade spacing, I'll change it to 5. Okay, now I'll change this color, so I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type fill. Okay, double click or drag and drop and I'll change this color to pink. Okay, something like this. Okay, and now again I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type radial blur, not CC, radial blur. Drag and drop or double click and now I'll change amount to 23 like this. It's half. Okay, this is my first loop. Now I'll go to neon 1 and Control D to copy and I'll change this color to green. Okay, and okay. Also I'll go to scatter here, change it to 350 and grade spacing to 10. Okay. Again, control, let me name it neon. Yes. Okay, again, control D and I'll name it 3. Yes. Okay, and also I'll change this color to blue. Okay, and I'll change scatter to 250. Also I'll change grade spacing to 15. Again, control D to copy neon 4. I'll change this color to orange or between orange and yellow. Okay, like this, and scatter, I'll change it to 200. Also change grade spacing to 20, and now I want to decrease the yellow color, so I'll go to size here and I'll decrease it like this to 50. Okay, and yeah, Now I'll add a new adjustment layer, and I'll go to effect and stylize and glow. Okay, and I'll and I'll control the glow to copy, and I'll degrees. Alright. No, I think we need to. No, it's good. From me, it's good. Okay. Yeah. And okay, now I'll take all these layers and right click and pre-compose it. Okay. And I'll name it uh, neon. Okay. Yeah. And okay, this is our neon. Okay. Now I'll go to layer, new adjustment layer, and I'll name it levels. Okay. Then I'll go to effect, color correction, and levels. Change channel to alpha, and I'll change alpha input black to 70. Also alpha input white, I'll change it to 175 and see. Change it to half. Okay, again I'll go to layers, new adjustment layer, go to effect, distort, and I'll choose CC lens. Okay, and I'll change size to 100 and see. Also I'll go to effects and presets, and I'll type vector blur. Okay, CC vector vector blur. Double click or drag and drop. Then I'll change amount to 10. Okay, and also I'll change bridge smoothness to 100 and half. 100 and half. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is our tutorial today, but I don't want to go to this pre-comp, and I want to go to the blue one. Okay, which one? The blue one, and I want to change size to 75. Size CC Stardust. Yeah, we change it to 50. Okay, I think it's also the green one. I want to change it to 75. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.